How to fix TikTok unable to authorize, please try again. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Let's get started. First thing first, if you are facing that problem, make sure that your TikTok application is updated. For that, head over to your Play Store. Simply type in TikTok. At times when your application is not updated, it will show you various errors. So make sure that you see open here. If you see update, tap on update and update your app. For the next step, head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below, tap onto apps. Here also you have to search for TikTok. Once done, tap onto storage, clear the cache. Now if you remember your credentials like your username and password, you may also go ahead and tap on clear data. But if you don't know your password, I don't recommend you doing this. So go back, tap on force stop, then OK. Once it is so, restart your device, launch a TikTok, and this shall fix your problem. If it's still not working, then this might be a problem within the app itself. You have to reinstall TikTok. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.